Hi guys, how you going? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. So I thought I'd just give you a bit of another update on the open road four-wheel drive awning. So we're up in the high country of Victoria. We're out just past Jamison Way, so I thought we'd just set it up and talk you through how it's been going. Again, she's nice and simple to set up, nice and easy. Nice and quick. Again, 30 seconds or so and she's done. Pretty damn simple. And again, this one's totally freestanding. It also comes with the drop-down poles and the lighting. And this really dark blackout fabric too, which is really good. I'll just quickly show you the lights, set that up for you. And again, it's just simply 1, 2, 3, bang. That's it. That's how quick it is. And if you're into the high wind conditions, if you want, you can just drop these down. And she's done. And again, we don't need to set them up, but just for display, I'll just show you how it all goes. Alright. So we're just stopping here for lunch today, so we'll get a few things out. And again, if you go back to the channel, there's a whole heap of videos on the setup here. Cut the cans from the fridge. We'll pop the kettle on. And again, I've got the all powers with me today, which has been absolutely fantastic. We took it out just recently on the big four-wheel drive trip. This grass, this electric kettle, heats up really, really quickly. Don't go for the 12 volt kettles, they're crap. Did you brought noodles, yeah, guys? Yeah? In that bag? Yeah. So I've been using it quite a bit over the last week or so. The lighting's been really good. If you go back to the channel, there's a whole video on the lighting setup and how that sort of all come together. How do you do your noodles? Just hot water on top? Yeah. Yep. Oh, you put tuna in it too?
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Oh, tuna in your noodles. Oh, okay.
Is that unusual?
Oh. I've never seen it done before like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, okay.
Stock standard thing.
I'll have to try it. This is the beast.
Yeah.
There's not much I don't like about it other than the King's one sort of came out to about.
Just a little bit bigger.
Yeah. Is there how much water to keep going?
Keep going.
Who needs a microwave?
What about you?
I know I have to.
It'd make it so much easier. It's just the power. As long as you get power, it's
Alright guys, so we set up just in time because it's just started to rain. So we're in a nice little spot. I'll give you a bit of a look. It's absolutely beautiful. Just pulled off the side of the road. Nice little creek. Unfortunately, you can't camp here. You can stop, but don't camp here. This particular spot, all along the Woods Point Road, there's so many camp spots along here. It's just not funny. So we were heading out this way from Jamison all the way up past Woods Point. And then we were hoping to have some lunch at the Woods Point pub, but the kitchen was closed, unfortunately. So I'll have to head back there another time. The kids are back at camp. Yeah, we'll just chill here by the river in the rain. If the weather gets a bit too gnarly, we'll pop the walls out too. So this awning in particular comes with a wall kit, which encompasses the entire area. But if we don't get it out in this video, go back to the channel, there'll be a video there for you. Alright guys, well that's it. Just wanted to give you a quick look out in the wild, so to speak. Again, if you want a really comprehensive, detailed overview, go back to the channel. There's several videos there on it, from the very short ones to the extremely long ones, including installation. Otherwise, so far I've been super happy with it. Hasn't let me down in any way. Again, it ticks pretty much every box. The only critique for me at this stage is I would like it to be a bit bigger. But again, there is a bigger version. So maybe I should have got the bigger version, which actually extends it sort of ultimately out that way a bit more. But that means I can bring it back that way a little bit more. So yeah, maybe a future video. Alright guys, as per usual, like, subscribe, share. Any comments, drop them down below. Again, I'll respond to all the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, cheers guys. Bye.